Good morning, students. Welcome you all to today's English class. Today we will discuss a lesson from the book First Flight, that is, from the diary of Anne Frank, written by Anne Frank. Actually, the diary of Anne Frank is a complete novel written by Anne Frank, and this lesson is an extract taken from that novel. So, before we start, let's know about Anne Frank. Actually, Anne Frank was a German born Jewish girl who was born on 12th June 1929. Okay, and she was, as we know, that she was a Jewish girl who wrote all that novel in her hiding with her family and four friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. Actually, Amsterdam is the capital of Netherlands. Now, Nazis they occupied Germany and they were after Jewish people. So, as Anne Frank and family they were Jewish people, so they shifted to Netherlands. Okay, Amsterdam in Netherlands. And after that, what happened? After a few years, Nazis even took over Netherlands. And then what happened? They had to take hiding. They had to go in hiding in Netherlands, and they took hiding in Anne Frank's father, Otto Frank's office. And they remained there for 2 years. And during those 2 years, she wrote that diary. She wrote diary every day, okay, and that becomes a famous novel from the diary of Anne Frank. Okay, so now, and at that time she was just 13 years old, and at the age of 16 years she died. And during those 2 years, the diary, what she wrote in her diary, that was quite insightful, and that was the work of a mature writer, and that gained popularity throughout the world, okay, and even translated into many languages also. So this is all about Anne Frank. That's why she was one of the most popular writers, and at such a age, just 16 years she died, and 13, 14 years, 15 years age, she wrote all about her diary. So that was all there. So this is all about the introduction of her. It is all given in the book also, that how her family had moved to Amsterdam after the Nazis gained power in Germany, but were trapped when the Nazi occupation extended into the Netherlands. That I've already told you. They shifted to Netherlands, but later on, as Nazis occupation extended in Netherlands, they shifted to they were in Amsterdam. And as persecution against the Jewish population increased, the family went into hiding in July 1942. They went in hiding. they उनको छुपना पड़ा 1942 में, and they were in Otto Frank, her father Otto Frank's office building. After they were in secret place. So after 2 years in hiding, the group was betrayed and transported to the concentration camp system, where Anne died of typhus in Bergen-Belsen within days of her sister Margaret Frank. Actually, Nazis, what they did, when they caught Jewish people, they put them in the camp. जैसे रिफ्यूजी कैंप होते हैं ना, ऐसे ही उनको कैंप लगा के, टेंट लगा के उनको वहाँ शिफ्ट कर देते थे, एंड दे faced all kind of atrocities, tortures by Nazis. Okay, and because of that, most of the people died at that place. So, and Anne Frank, her sister Margaret, they also died in that concentration camp. Her father Otto Frank was the only survivor of that group. Her friends, also her mother, all had died. Okay, and after the war ended, he went back to Netherlands to his office. And in the office, he found that diary written by Anne Frank that was saved. So he was quite convinced that this was really unique. It was a unique record. He took action to have it published in English under the name The Diary of Anne Frank. Actually, it was originally written in Dutch language, but later on it was translated to English and many other languages, and it became the world's most widely read books. There have been several films, televisions and theatrical productions, and even opera based on the diary. And it is described as the work of a very mature and insightful mind. The diary provides an intimate examination of daily life under Nazis occupation, that how they face the tortures of the Nazis and daily life, how they face the daily life, because it was really very difficult to survive in the office building for 2 years. And Anne Frank has become one of the most renowned and discussed of the Holocaust victim. Holocaust means large scale destruction. She became the most popular of victim of that time. So this is all about Anne Frank and how they were there. I have told you about the background of the story. Okay, from why what she was doing and what who Anne Frank actually was. So now this is one thing that is given. So we are given that journal, diary, log, memoir. These are the four types of different writings. So journal, diary, log, and memoirs. So what do we understand by all this? So what is a journal? Actually, if you look at the last definition, a written record of events with times and dates, usually official. So this is a journal. And diary is what? Diary is the first one, a book with a separate space or pages for each day in which you write down your thoughts and feelings on what has happened on that day. So this is a diary. This is the definition of a diary. And log is what? Log is a full record of journey, a period of time or an event written every day. This is a log. And memoir is what? Memoir is a record of person's own life and experiences, usually a famous person. So this is a memoir. So these are the all four. And here we are given the examples of all that also. So examples, like in the first one it is given, I woke up very late today and promptly got a scolding from mom. I can't help it. How can I miss the FIFA World Cup matches? So this is what? This is diary. Second one, it is टाइमिंग के साथ आपको दिया हुआ है पूरा. 10:30 he did this, 1 at this, 5:45 this, 9:30 p.m. this. So this is what? A log. And the ride to Ooty was eventful. It was rested for every 50 kilometer or so and used the time to capture the magnificent landscape with my handycam. From Ooty we went on to Bangalore. So this is what? This is a journal. And the last one, it is, this is how Raj Kapoor found me, all wet and ragged outside RK studio. He was then looking for just someone like this for a small role in Mera Naam Joker, and the cast me on the spot. The rest, they say, is history. That is all a memoir. So this is all about all these type of writing, so that we do. Now the next one. Now the story, this chapter starts from there. Now what Anne Frank wrote in the beginning, that writing in a diary is really strange experience for someone like me. Actually, this is an extract taken from her novel, but these are the beginning pages. These are also mentioned, these are also given, that how did she feel like writing the diary. It's a very strange experience for someone like me, not only because I have never written anything before, but also because it seems to me that later on neither I nor anyone else will be interested in the musings of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. So actually what she thought, that she was thinking about writing a diary at such age, that she was just 13-year-old schoolgirl. So what she thought, that nobody would be serious about the ideas, musing means ideas, thoughts written by her. Oh well, it doesn't matter. I feel like writing and I have even greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest. And diary is what? Diary is just like your friend. So you can just share all the secrets. You can with anything you have in the secret in your heart, you just want to lie down your heart, you can write anything in the diary. So she says that it doesn't matter, I just want to write a diary to गेट द थिंग्स ऑफ माई चेस्ट, कि मतलब अपनी बोझ मैं उतारना चाहती हूँ, मैं अपने मन से वो बोझ उतारना चाहती हूँ. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू शेयर सम सीक्रेट्स विद समवन, एंड दिस इज वट आई फाइंड द बेस्ट वन. Why she thinks she cannot share her things with somebody like any person, because she had family, her friends all were there near to her. But why she felt the need to write a diary? Actually, what she thought, that paper has more patience than people. Now understand this. What she says, that paper has more patience than people. It means, now what she says, that when you suppose you start sharing some secrets with some member of the family or your friends, so what they start doing, they start giving your their own opinion, they start criticizing you, or they may blame you, or they start giving you suggestions. But you don't like to, okay, you don't want all that, and you just want to light your burden, you just want to share your feelings. And what she says, that paper, when you write on the paper, it never objects, it never give you any suggestions, it never comments, it never criticize you, but it's like a true friend, just listen to you patiently. So that's why she says that paper has more patience than people. People are not patient. I thought of this saying on one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands, bored and listless, wondering whether to stay in or go out. Actually, that thought came in her mind when she was a little depressed and she was sitting with her head under her hand under her chin, and she was bored, she was feeling bored, okay. And I finally stayed where I was brooding, and she stayed there and she was just thinking, yes, paper does have more patience. And since I am not planning to let anyone else read this stiff backed notebook, grandly referred to as diary, unless I should ever find a real friend, it probably won't make a bit of difference. So now what she says, that she does not allow anyone टू रीड स्टिफ बैक्ड नोटबुक. स्टिफ बैक्ड होता है ना, बिकॉज डायरी के जो फोल्डर होता है, डायरी के जो कवर पेज होते हैं वो बहुत हार्ड होते हैं, क्योंकि सेफली दे कैन कीप द थिंग सेफ. तो स्टिफ बैग्ड नोटबुक ग्रैंडली रेफर टू एज डायरी unless I should ever find a real friend. And what she said, that I would not allow anyone to read this diary until I find a real friend, and it won't make a bit of difference. Now I am back to the point that prompted me to keep a diary in the first place. And this one more thing that she says, that what prompted her to write a diary, and this the reason was that I don't have a friend, real friend. She had 4 friends with her who were in hiding with her family, but what she says, that I don't have a real friend. And what she says, let me put it more clearly. Since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world, and how one could believe that this 13-year-old girl, she is completely alone in this world, and I am not. She says, I am not alone. I have my family, I have my friends, I have loving parents and a 16-year-old sister, and there are about 13 people, 30 people I can call friends. There are so many other friends also. I have a family, loving aunts, and a good home. No, on the surface, I seem to have everything except my one true friend. But what she says, that I have 30 people around me, but I don't have a true friend. That's why I felt the need to write a diary. All I think about when I am with my friends is having a good time. So with my friends I just enjoy, I have a good time. I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary everyday things. I can only discuss my everyday affairs, but not something which is secret. I don't seem to have I don't seem to be able to get any closer, and that's the problem. We don't seem to be able to get any closer. We don't get closer to each other, and that's a big problem. Maybe it's all my fault that we don't confide in each other. We don't tell our personal things to each other. In any case, that's just how things are, and unfortunately, they are not liable to change. And this is all unfortunate, but this is not going to change, and this is a fact, that I don't have a true friend with whom I can share my feelings. So that's why I started writing the diary. To enhance the image of this long awaited friend in my imagination, I don't want to jot down the facts in this diary the way most people would do. So she had an image of her true friend in her mind, and now she had got the idea to write a diary, and but she did not hurry up in writing the diary, that like many other people, she just did not write down everything on the diary. But I want the diary to be my friend, and I am going to call this friend Kitty. And so she named her diary as a friend called Kitty. She named it as Kitty. So this is why she started writing diary. So one thing is, she says that she did not have a true friend, and other thing that she believed that, and it is a fact also, that paper has more patience than people. Now, after that, when she started writing the diary, first she gave introduction about her family. And what she says, that since no one would understand a word of my stories to Kitty if I were to plunge right in, I would better provide a brief sketch of my life, much as I dislike doing so. So what she says, as I don't want to tell in the beginning, I don't want to tell about my family. Maybe I dislike this thing, but if I directly start writing the diary, nobody would understand. So better is I would share the my family description, and but I don't like all that. That was her opinion. So she says that my father, the most adorable father I have ever seen, did not marry my mother until he was 36. So now my father, she says that my father got married at the age of 36, and my mother was just 25. My sister Margaret was born in Frankfurt in Germany in 1926, and I was born on 12th June 1929. So she was born after 3 years. I lived in Frankfurt, Germany until I was 4. She remained there for until she was 4 years old. My father immigrated to Holland in 1933 because of the job and the business purpose. He shifted to Holland in 1933. My mother, Edith Hollander Frank, went with him to Holland in September. After that, my mother also went same year in September. She also migrated to Holland, while Margaret and I were sent to Aachen to stay with our grandmother. Now they were shifted to her grandmother's place. Margaret went to Holland in December, and I followed in Feb. So Margaret went in December, and after that she also went in Feb next year. When I was plunked down on the table as a birthday present for Margaret, and when she went in February, when she went to Holland, it was her sister's birthday, and she was plunked down. Yeah, it is an informal word put down in a casual way as a birthday present for my sister. I started right away at the Montessori nursery school. So she started at the nursery school. I stayed there until I was 6. So she was admitted to nursery school, and she remained there until she was 6 years old, at which time I started in the first form. After that, she went to the formal school, and she was in at the age of 6. She was in first form, first class, like you can say. In the sixth form, my teacher was Mrs. Cuperus, the headmistress. She was Mrs. Cuperus, the headmistress. And at the end of the year, we were both in tears as we said a heartbreaking farewell. And she loved her teacher very much, and that was a farewell time. At the end of the year, they were in tears, and it was the farewell time. In the September summers of 1941, grandma fell ill and had to have an operation. So in 1941, grandma fell ill and she had to undergo an operation. So her Anne Frank's birthday that passed with little celebration. There was no celebration at all because grandmother had undergone an operation. So grandma died in January 1942. No one knows How often I think of her and still love her. Now, what she says that she loved her grandmother so much and she still loves her. This birthday celebration in 1942 was intended to make up for the other, because it was a big celebration, because last year also it was not celebrated. So this year it was celebrated, and my grandma's candle was also lit along with the rest. So grandma's candle was also lit. So my birthday was celebrated in 1942. The four of us are still doing well, and that brings me to the present date of 20th June 1942. Now, this was her 1942, it was her 13th birthday, and on her 13th birthday, she had got a diary. She had, and she started writing that diary. 12th June, it was her birthday, and on 20th June 1942, she started writing that diary, and that was the psalm dedication of her diary. Psalm means sacred dedication. She started writing the diary, and it was the first entry on 20th June 1942 in that diary. So we have read a part of this lesson. Rest of the part we will study in the next video. So before that, you read this lesson carefully and find out what is the details about Anne Frank, and we will discuss about the theme and other questions in the next lecture. With that, thank you.